Hi, I want to show you a very quick tip about how to transfix a distal phalanx if you have like a tendon injury or something and your joint is already opened. So let's say you want to transfix this distal mid finger. So you can take a K-wire, usually you take a 1.2, 1.4, and you cut it like in a cricket way so you have a second tip for your K-wire now. Next step, you take your power tool and you turn it around the wrong way because you want to have your real and sharp edge for the mid phalanx, and you put it in your power tool. Now you take your going back to your hand in this case, and you go back to your distal phalanx and you open the joint, and then you can put the K-wire with visualization where you want to have it actually. And you can go out on the other side, and for demonstration purposes we drill this, and then I can shoot it backward. Then you can do your reduction, put the finger in the way you want the finger to be, so like a slightly extended version here, and then you can shoot the K-wire very easily, and you have your transfixation in the correct angulation and the correct position of your joint line. After you shot the K-wire back retrograde, you have the correct angulation in the AP and also in the lateral view. So it's very easy to do that for transfixation at distal phalanx.